You are going to love the 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.